Hi, how are you?
I am great. What about you?
Yes, I'm also pretty well. Thank you for asking. So, how was your day?
Uh, Good going and fully energetic. What about you? Your day?
Yeah, it was also fine so far. Okay, so Sumit, first of all, you know, we are connected here first time, so I would like to know your introduction in a brief.
Okay, ma'am. I am Sumit Kumar. I belong to in Bihar in Jammu district, a small village in Nabinagar. And recently I cleared my previous graduation completed, and I am a government servant as a clerk.
Wow,
Uh,
nice.
and uh, and project time I many times we expand a YouTube channel. I opened a YouTube channel. My channel name is Sumit Spiritual, and
Nice.
I post many videos just like related my life, blogs, and something new, just like how to travel metro, how to travel in aeroplane first time, and many vlogs, many meditation. But that means all my opinion, yeah, vlogging mine about me.
Wow, it's nice to hear. You are doing great.
Thank, thank you. Uh, Sikha, I recently I saw you at least 5 to 10 days ago through YouTube. Through YouTube, your channel visited English with Sikha Singh. That time I realized who is Sikha Singh. After that, I opened your videos. Really, that time I feel energetic because I want to learn English, but not a platform, yeah, not a circle how to learn. Yeah, our many friends are not interested. What this is a boring work. You only speak alone. But after visit your channel, I message to you. Please connect with me. I want to improve my English. Thank you for accepting my calling.
You mentioned, and it's thank you for appreciating. So, Sumit, I have some question for you. Can I
Yeah,
ask?
yeah. Please.
Okay. So you are also in government sector. So I would like to know one question that is, new education policy that revealed in 2020. So what's your opinion about this?
Yeah, great question, ma'am. The new education policy, you as you must know, ma'am. Recently, I know you as a teacher. Recently, previous year, our government 2020 passed the in Parliament the new education policy. But after we get the freedom, first time in the Indira Gandhi government, 1968, first education policy launched. After that, in 1986, our second education policy change. After that, the third policy change is 1992, and after 1992 is the fourth implement in our education system. As you know, ma'am, education is the most powerful weapon we can use change the world, yeah, everything. So this changing, in my opinion, is very awesome because we then we present time we follow the 10 plus 2 rule, okay? And the limited source, you can choose the limited, just like your higher education after your 12th, you only one sector to preparation for the, just like a physics, chemistry honors, only one. But the new education system, after your 10th, after your 12th, you choose many interested subjects. Because I also interested in physics, okay? But
Right.
but many issue I want हमें chemistry लेना पड़ा. So that is a big issue. But in the new education policy system, help for many sectors. We learn many things in many sectors and with interest. This is the higher and the middle law. First, the mother tongue. Our mother tongue is very. So you know that recently 22 language are uh, 22 language are to as uh, is 22 sorry 22 language in India
Language.
government present time 22 language. Okay,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and yeah, mother tongue is the most powerful weapon because any child in childhood, at least 5 to 6 years, he has speak to start a mother tongue.
Right.
So that is the big issue. The fundamental course you can use your mother tongue. After that, you second stage 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. I think you know it better.
Yeah, I know a little bit, but you also explained very well. Yes, I would like to just add one point that there is one point that is critical and creative thinking. Are you listening?
Am I visible, ma'am?
Yeah, now you are visible.
Sorry for recently call. Uh, so this is the rule, ma'am. Ma'am, I think that as my knowledge, can you explain 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4?
Okay. Yes, yes. You Oh, you said very well. So that is one thing that is critical thinking and creative thinking. It also mentioned over there because nowadays teaching is only in one way. But in new education policy, it is also included like skill education. Every student who has some problem, but they are
Right.
just unique in the different field. Just like you also know in sport and in some other field, they are very pro. So for this, new education policy will be just a good platform. And rather than this, if they implemented critical and creative thinking, it means students they can think logically. They have power of logical decision, so they also can do this. And one thing that is dropout. This is the main way. Many of in every year, many percentage is dropout. Students will drop out. So nowadays, it is a very big issue for education. If after after fifth class, most of the students drop out their schooling, they don't go, and after
Right,
that,
right,
the education is just lesser day by day. So it is
right.
also mentioned in the new education policy. So overall, it will be a good thing. New education policy that will be launched very soon.
Really, really. Great explain. Great explain. You explained by deeply and I understood all things, really. Because you are a teacher, you explain the every things is part by part. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so I'm just gonna ask you second question. That is, you are also YouTuber. So how about your YouTube journey so far?
Okay, great, great, ma'am. Ma'am, finally, I started my YouTube channel previous year, which the period of the government announced the first lockdown. At least
Ah,
I think 20, 21 days. That time
ah,
I was free. That time I was free. So finally decide how to work on YouTube. So I saw many videos that time. I start my YouTube channel, and after that work proper way because that time I knew work proper way, continue, and for that time I can say 1.3K subscriber in my channel. And YouTube, if you are working on YouTube, many tools will help us because that time I beginner, but present time I help with Kind Master also, and the Skype app also, and the Boya mic also, and editing software many. So proper work in YouTube. YouTube just like a platform to connect every people, yeah, other people. Yeah, also the platform Facebook, Instagram, there are many things, but YouTube is a unique. And so finally, I work on my YouTube channel, and you also a YouTuber, ma'am.
no, really, I came to know many new points, and you made a lot of effort for doing this. That's a good. Okay, so sure, you shared your point of view about YouTube. That's really awesome because this is a new platform where everyone person can explore themselves.
Right.
That's okay. So
But I
next,
want to one thing. I want to one thing.
okay,
If you work on YouTube platform as a beginner, YouTube run through support each other. If you go the your friends channel, comments also hit videos. So that is a together work together and go. That means both are running and both are working in the proper fast part after 1K, 10K, 100K. After that, I think play button, diamond play button achieve.
Yeah, I can understand.
But
I
this is a
got,
long journey.
yes, why not? Sure. Because yes, teamwork, it make everything perfect. So like this,
Right, right,
yes,
right.
right. Okay, so you're also a soldier, and nowadays the Olympic, you know very well about this. So what's your thought? Because this is, I think, a special year for Olympic, this 2021.
Really, really, ma'am. As you know, the 2021 Olympic was held in 2020, but the reason of pandemic COVID-19, he extend, postponed,
Yeah,
and present time doing, present time running.
yeah.
Uh, Yesterday, the Neeraj Chopra. You know about the Neeraj Chopra. Every Indian know about the Neeraj Chopra. Who is Neeraj?
Now,
Neeraj Chopra also a soldier. He dedicated for the many things because soldier are strongly many things. Mindly strong, physically
yeah,
strong, and the body strong. And work if any soldier to think in any one thing in any mind, his mind, they can do it top to
mm,
good. And present time, you know the total 7 medals. I think, yeah,
yeah,
7 medals in India, 1 gold and 2 silver and 4 bronze. I think. So this is
right.
the first gold medal by a German person. Really, it's a proud feel to us and all Indians.
Yeah, definitely. It's a really very, very proud moment for us because I saw the highlight of that. So that time I just got goosebump. I just really emotionally attached. Means how fantastic this person. And the one thing that is means if today he is success, so behind his this there is a long journey. He did a
Right,
lot of work, hard work. So like this,
right.
every hard work is a good result. But by the time, not very soon. We have to just wait for the time, and we just continue. Passionate, I think. Perseverance, it is needed for this.
Really, really. And you said that slow study wins the race. Really.
Okay. Okay, all right. So, do you have any question for me?
Yeah, 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 man. Because this is my first conversation with you. I am facing some problem to English conversation because 5 to 6 years ago, I realized that English conversation, want to improve my English. But today I talk with you.
Mm-hmm.
I facing many types of problem with not the proper vocab what I say thought in Hindi and what I am saying in the English that time. So this is the issue and how to work to improve my English communications and English grammar. Can you tell me something your ideas?
Yeah, some my ideas I would like to share because there is not very long journey behind me also. But yeah, whatever I have that I would like to share. So
Yeah, please.
started by reading. So you just I think you must do reading, but it is very very easy way to make sentences because if we want to know that how to sentence structure is made, so
Okay.
we have to read more and more. So I also started by reading, and you can just do practice because practice is the one thing the perfect man perfect. So like this practice and reading, and rather than this, you also can try writing. It is also necessary sometimes. And
Okay.
for vocabs, whatever vocabs you just learn and you just read in a day. So you just
Okay.
try, you start to practice. You just try to use these vocabs. Don't retain only in mind. You just try to use, whether it is right or wrong. You just try to read, use. So just gradually it will be fixed. So these are some points that by this you can start.
Really, really, your all points motivated to me, and I thought I can do it. And future time I will do. I will do
Okay.
really, and said to thank you because you are a teacher. You are a teacher. You are a primary teacher. Handle a YouTube channel also, running the many children also, and my father also a teacher. And
Oh,
that this teacher is always inspiration to us because your many children in future time become many officers, many higher rank. That time you realize, yeah, oh, this is my student, and they say this is my teacher. So really, really great work, and thanks for coming on YouTube for the learning of English, because you to other side you work on the child, but in the different side on YouTube you're working for the many adults people. Yeah, at least teenagers. So really great work, man. I salute to you.
Oh, thanks for inspiring me, and it means a lot for me. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Okay, so it was really a great just conversation with you. So we will meet again. Till then, bye bye.
bye
Have a
bye.
great day.
Thank you.